where shall I put you guys without it being sunny? Good morning guys, and happy Monday. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is Monday, just like I mentioned a second ago. I'm ready and I'm about to head out. It's 9:37, as you guys can tell from behind. I'm just about to nip out because I'm gonna meet my sister firstly, and then we're gonna nip into town. I need to do some shopping around for some stuff, so it's gonna be like a really nice chilled girly day out. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog because this is kind of what happens to me. I pick up the camera and I'm like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and then when I go out I'm like, whoops, I left my camera in the car. But I will try to get some footage nevertheless. It's absolutely freezing today. I think it snowed a little bit, so defrosting the car this morning is gonna be great, so perfect. But yeah, I'm just about to nip out and I will probably see you guys in a bit because I need to drive all the way to my sister's house. So wish me good luck guys, and I will probably see you guys in a little bit. But let's get on with the day. Hi guys, so it's been a minute since I last spoken to you guys. Oh my god, the camera is like wonky. Bear with me guys. There we are. So we're just in the car. We just come back from town. The car park I'm just about to leave actually. I need to put petrol in my car to remind me actually. It's on red. When is my car never on? It's red. And then I'm probably gonna go for like a little coffee day. I think I need some sort of tea or coffee right now. What do you think? Yep, sounds good. Sounds good, isn't it?
It's cold weather.
I need it. It's cold weather, man. Apparently tomorrow it's gonna snow. Like what the hell? How is it gonna snow in February? I just don't understand. It's just pathetic, this weather. Honestly, I can't wait till it's a bit warmer. I think
this winter has been the longest winter ever.
The longest and the coldest, I would say.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Last
I think
year
it's meant to snow tomorrow and Thursday.
That's insane. I swear last winter wasn't this cold.
No, it wasn't at all.
At all.
It's hardly snowed, maybe once.
Yeah, I don't think it snowed at all, like literally. So, anyways, let's put something fun on the radio. And I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later.
So I just made it home now. I dropped my sister home and it's 2 o'clock exactly. So I've had a lovely day, lovely catch up with my sister, which was great. Just what I needed, like perfect for Monday morning. Lovely catch up sesh, so it was just perfect. So yeah, we went out for like a nice coffee. We had like a little chit chat. It was good, nice catch up session because my brother's wedding is actually coming up really soon. It's in April, my brother's wedding, inshallah. So I'm excited. We've got so much girly stuff to plan. Me and my sisters all hopefully gonna match. We need to go wedding shopping. We need to do so much stuff. So the wedding is actually like really soon. So we got so much planning to do, which I'm very excited for. So yeah, I'm home. I'm probably gonna take off my makeup and make lunch. I want to do a face mask because I need a face mask. As you can tell here, I've got quite a few spots. I need to redo my nails. And I get a lot of questions about my nails. I use the halal nail polishes. My favorite one is from Maya Cosmetics. They do like all sort of halal nail polishes and stuff. They're really good, so I'll leave them linked down below for you guys if you guys, oh my god, my nose is watering. If you guys want halal nail polishes, then I'll leave that link down below for you because they're a really good brand, and that's kind of what I've got my nails pretty much all the time is halal nail polishes from there. They're really good, so highly recommend. Anyways, I'm gonna get changed. My battery's flashing at me, so perfect time to sign off, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. Bye. Guess who I'm with? Hey. What's up? Okay. We're so awkward. Oh my god, jeez. Anyways, we're just in a cafe and we're just gonna get some work done. We've got editing to do. Iman's got a funky camera. Oh my god. Camera is fucking cute. What kind of camera is it? It doesn't matter what camera it is. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. We got a memory card. Yeah, we're gonna get some work done. So this is my phone. Guys, I just came home and look what came in the post. It says, hi Amina, thank you for all your love and support. Love always, the X1 team, which is so sweet. They sent me this in the post and I just ripped it off because I was like, what the hell is this? And then this was in the post. How cute. I mean, probably these sweets are not halal, so unfortunately I have to chuck those away. But they sent me another foundation, and this is the X1 and I got it in shade 2, but I've got I think 3 or 4 of these, so this one's probably gonna have it. So there you go. Thank you EX1 Cosmetics.
Thanks my love.
yeah, she's gonna take the foundation. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to them. It's so lovely for them sending that over. I really appreciate it. You guys should definitely check them out because the foundations are actually so good. You'll actually see how good the foundation is. You'll be like, oh my god. So yeah, so I just want to say a massive thank you. And look how cute this yo-yo is.
Yo-yo lights up. Let's see it.
Yeah, I want to see how it looks. Does it?
Should.
Yeah, it should be, shouldn't it? Oh yeah, I think it is a little. No, I haven't played with a yo-yo in like forever. Such a like an old thing that we used to do when we were younger. It's so cute.
Ready?
Go on. Woo! We are home. We're gonna get cracking with more editing, and then I nipped into Lidl because I'm gonna have a salad for lunch. Well, we both are actually, because healthy vibes. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, we're gonna munch on that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. I am just laying in bed, as you guys can tell. I've just come out of the shower, hence why I've still got like panda eyes. I've still got like half makeup all down my face and stuff like that. And then today I'm actually planning on staying home today because the last few days I've just been out all day. Like yesterday, I kid you not, I was out all day. I literally came home at exactly 5 o'clock and I was just like, it's just, yeah. So today I said to myself, I'm gonna have a nice chilled one at home. And
this is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
okay, so I'm just getting ready really quick. I don't know what hijab style I'm gonna do. My adult just called me like an hour ago, and he's like, get ready, I'm taking you out. So I'm like in a rush because he's like 2 minutes away, so I don't even know what scarf style to wear. This is always like a tricky one because it's hard to choose like a scarf style that you like. But I guess I'm gonna go for a turquoise scarf, a royal blue scarf, because it's gonna go in my bag kind of. So I guess I'm gonna go do this style because this top's quite low neck, and I love this top that I'm wearing. It's like a kind of like a designer brand, but it's so nice. Why do I look so pale in this lighting? It's crazy. Anyway, so it kind of looks like this. It's so beautiful. And then wear like flare trousers, and then I'm gonna wear like pointy shoes, pointy heels. So it looks pretty nice if I say so myself. So I quite like it. I don't know, you see, this is hijab styles. With this silky hijabs, they just don't suit me. But I don't know, I have no time now, so I'm just gonna have to do whatever because he's like literally like 5 minutes away. So he called me like half an hour, like he called me like ages ago, like, hey, I hope you're ready, I'm not coming. I'm like, yeah, I am. But doing makeup just takes forever, like a kid, you know. So I'm just in the car with this one, so hey.
Hello!
Oh my god, I just realised we're both wearing grey coats.
Oh god, this was not planned by the way.
This was not planned.
Honestly, it wasn't
at all.
I just came from work.
Oh my god, that's really awkward.
And you didn't see me in the morning because
No.
you were sleeping.
Oh my god, it's crazy. This is what we do. We always match. It's kind of crazy, but this is us, guys. I'm digging like my makeup look, but I just don't like my hijab. I don't know if I like the hijab on me.
No, it looks really nice, mashallah. I like the dress, everything.
Makes my cheeks look chubby.
This is looking like nice and that.
I thought I'd make an effort or whatever.
Just to let you know.
So, I mean, yeah, it's all cool. So, but we haven't been out on like a date night for ages, haven't we?
Yeah, no.
Like it's been a long time. So, we thought I'd make the effort and we'd go out. So, yeah. Okay, so we're in the restaurant, but you guys can't even hear me because it's super loud, and this angle is so not flattering. You can see like I've got like dark circles underneath my eyes right now.
No, it's the lighting.
I know, the lighting's like so crazy right now, but we're waiting for the food. We ordered some really nice food, I'm so excited. Got myself apple juice.
What is that?
Which is like my absolute favorite, but yeah.
Oh.
You didn't even realise. You stuff in your face?
Yeah.
What are you having? Is that your thumbnail? Is that the thumbnail? Yeah.
Bubblegum.
A little bit better. Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, vlog. I'm losing it. So yesterday was absolutely lovely. I had such an amazing time. So he bought me this massive bunch of flowers. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am obsessed. It's like handmade, so someone put them together and stuff like that. So it's beautiful. So yeah, he bought me those flowers, which are gorgeous. I just thought I'd keep it in my room next to the window. Just looks so pretty, so why not? So yeah, basically today has been a busy one. I've just literally sat down now and it's like 11 o'clock. It's just 11 o'clock. I had a busy morning. I was cleaning the house. I washed up, had breakfast. I did the washing, piles of washing, like really boring, housey, wifey stuff. Like, sometimes I wake up and I'm in that mood just to clean everything, and today was one of those moods that I just wanted to clean literally everything. So that's kind of what I did today morning, just like really thorough clean everything. So I'm happy with that. And today is really nice and sunny. It's like light blue skies and it's just put me in like the best mood ever. So I think I want to go to the park. Actually, I just texted my sister and see if we should take... Okay, cool. So I just said to my sister if we should take like my nephew to the park. The weather is beautiful, and she just said yeah, let's go. So she's up for it, which is always cool. So yeah, I guess me and the girls are gonna take the little one to the park, chill, have a little walk. Like, I feel like I need some exercise. Yesterday was a bad day for my diet. As you guys know, I'm kind of on this diet this week. Well, hopefully I'm gonna stick to it and like go throughout the week, throughout the weeks. But obviously it was like a little date night, so I thought it was okay to have a little cheat night. So yeah, I went all out. Like, I literally ate whatever, and like that's the first time I had bread. Well, I got like a naan, and that's like the first time I had like bread in like a week nearly. So I was really like happy with myself, and I really enjoyed it. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, I ate that bread and I was like, hell yeah. But yeah, but before I get too carried away and I start speaking to you guys forever, I'm just about to film a room tour. So I organized my room for you guys because so many of you guys have like asked me multiple times to do a room tour, and I read you lots of comments, but I'm like, I don't know if I want to do it. I don't know. But today I'm gonna film a room tour for you guys. Obviously I'm not 100% satisfied with how my room is, but I'm quite happy with it so far. So I thought I'm just gonna go for it and just film the room tour for you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do today morning before I nip out and before we go to the park and get some exercise in. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, film, and then I will catch up with you guys just before I go. And I'm just about to head out so we can go to the park. My outfit, I'm gonna show you guys now. It's hideous, but if you're gonna go to an open park, it's gonna be chilly. We're still in the winter, so please excuse my outfit. It's just gone 12. I finished finished editing half my video, so I guess when I come back I'll finish the other half. But I'm gonna go show you through my outfit, so do not laugh. Let's go. So this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing my Adidas jumper. I've got some like black leggings. For that I've got my Topshop coat over it and a black scarf, and that's pretty much it because we're gonna go to a park and it's gonna be absolutely freezing and meh. Backpack, I've got water, I've got an apple and an orange inside for snacks for later because this diet life is killing me. But yeah, gonna go now and I'll see you guys on the way. Well, let's go to the park. Okay guys, so that was like a takeover by man, which was absolutely useless. We're all like freezing our heads off. Yeah, why did we come to the park? And so windy. But we thought we'd come to the park because, like Iman said, we got a bit excited. That was a bit of sun. But to be fair, the little kids area is quite busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I guess everyone got a bit excited.
I'm not going to be surprised if somebody's wearing shorts out here because they've seen a bit of sun. The sun, no clothes, you know how it is.
I was literally like in such a good mood driving, like blasting tunes, because like I was like, yes, spring is coming. But when you step out the car and outside the house and it's like, is it really? Anyways, the kids are gonna play and we're gonna do some exercise.
Huh?
Yeah, you guys didn't hear that.
Oh, shit.
You didn't hear that, but that's happening, okay? Yay! So look at the absolute tramp today, literally, like, what the hell? But we just both nipped into Chaiwala. Show yours before they think I'm talking to myself. Yeah, so we both nipped into Chaiwala because we were absolutely freezing off the park. We're like, look how red my nose is. It's like so red, but yeah. So we got ourselves a tea, even though we're both like desperate for the loo, we're ready to go pee. But I know, too much information, but who cares? So yeah, we're gonna drive down to my house and then we've got a bunch of editing to do.
Yeah.
I still, like I told you guys before, I just did half my video, so I've got another half to do of editing, and then I'm making us lunch. Because I'm on a diet, so Tima and listen, there's only like diet food at my house, so I don't get too excited. So it's gonna be like scrambled eggs and like really healthy stuff. So she's happy with that, so it's cool. Anyways, we're gonna put some nice tracks on, we're gonna sing the heart out.
Sings your heart out.
Sings the hearts out, and then we will be on the way. Double vlog.
So excited to eat it. Brown bread, so it's really healthy. Then some scrambled eggs and cherry tomatoes, which is my favorite. This is Amina's.
Yum, yum, yum.
So we can't wait to get stuck into that, but that's what we're having for dinner.
By the way, guys, Iman started vlogging now, so you guys should check her channel out. I'll leave a link down below, but she started to vlog, so it's good, finally. But yeah, we're just about to have lunch, which is this. And the internet's just started to like freeze up, so we're just waiting for the internet to like come up again. But yeah, we're gonna munch and then we're gonna start cracking with editing, because I've got a bunch of shit to do and she's got loads too, so wish us good luck, guys. Welcome back. Today is Friday. We are just about to nip out. We're just off to town. My nose is very sniffly today, so hence why I got tissue and I'm just kind of patting my nose down. But yeah, we're just off out, so I just thought I would give you guys a little heads up and say hi. Happy Friday, it's Friday.
Jummah Mubarak ya habibi.
Exactly. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and I'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's super loud now. We're on the main road. Me and Iman just stopped and took like so many pictures. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
We actually took so many and they look so good because it's like super sunny today. So the pictures are going to be on Instagram soon, so make sure you guys follow us. I'll leave our usernames just here. Go on, Iman, do your little bit just over there. Yeah, so I'll leave that there for you guys to check out. But yeah, it came out a lot better than expected because of the sun, and how good it looks. So yeah, well now we're just walking to Starbucks to get ourselves a good old Starbucks. We're really hot here, right? Oh my god, ice one.
No, I don't want ice. No, yeah, definitely ice one.
Yeah, and then yeah, so we're just chilling, have a nice day, talking, taking pictures, just girly catch up really. You know how it is. So we're just in Topshop and we're looking at bags. Me and Iman found this bag that we really like. This one. It's like a fanny pack. Everyone's like kind of wearing them at the moment. They look so cute, so I don't know. We're thinking about it, but I'm not too sure about the design. They've got like a similar one, the Gucci one that's going up. Why am I camera out of focus? The Gucci one at the moment is so cute, but this one is like a bit tacky, so we're not too sure about that. But